Hello, beautiful people. You must have heard about the absent-minded professor. And well, today I was an absent-minded professor. So let's look at what I actually forgot about. Look. So this is my disaster for today. I switched on the ironing box and I was almost getting ready to iron my clothes and I had to attend a phone call. But I very wisely placed this on the ironing board and continued with my own business. And then I realized some funny smell. And now you can see my iron box is gone. My ironing board is nothing left. Okay, look at the damage. I'm sure you would have seen what I forgot about. I placed the iron box and I had a phone call, and when I came back, it was all too late. So when things happen, like this, just handle it cool. Do not get frustrated or worried. Try to be as cool as a cucumber. Thank you.